So,
Yes. All right. So I'm Samuel Roberts. I am the Stubbs. Right. So I'm the program coordinator for the rodent program in Port Antonio. Specifically today, we are implementing a rodent baiting exercise at the Errol Flynn Marina, otherwise called the Port Antonio Pier. And so we are here using two different types of baits today, and that's why the different colors and the bamboos. All right, so we can identify the different baits. So we have one that is called rodent tar. Yes, that's a effective rodenticide. And we have the storm, which is another type. All right, they are both good for the kill of rats and mice. However, we are doing somewhat of an experiment to see whether we'll have a liking for one over the other at the end of this program. So one feed of either of these will kill a rat or a mice once they get a full dose or a belly full. All right, and so here we are trying to reduce the rat population in the area overall, specifically in the ports, and we use the bamboo joints as a makeshift for the established rodent stations that are sold. And so we demonstrating here how we would set them, because rodents are peculiar creatures and they don't like to be in the light. They are colorblind, but they have very good strong sense of smell, and so they will smell the bait and they will be attracted to eat. All right, so it's as simple as placing it out of reach, not totally to people, but persons wouldn't just bump into them for disturbance. All right, so Mr. Stubbs is setting that one there right in. Push it in a little bit more. Yes.
and what would you say to persons who are utilizing the marina and see these baits?
Very well. Good question. So we advise them, we already gave out notices and flyers that they should not disturb them, because we are doing a special scientific program. All right, so we emphasize and ask for them not to be disturbed. We also ask that they do not do any general cleaning up for the rest of this week, in another 7 days, so as to have the rodents environment remain the same. They don't like when the environments are changed. They will disappear for a while and our program will be null and void. So we want them to see the same environment. All they will see is a new object, and they will take a few hours to get accustomed to the new object, and then they move straight at it. So we may set today, they may never touch it until tomorrow, because they have to get acclimatized to the new object. That's sort of some of the characteristics of rats and mice. Yes, so we ask that persons just allow the time to roll.
All right, thank you very much, Mr.
That's all
Roberts.
right.